Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest wall art painting design ideas for 2024. So friends, wall art painting is powerful form of expression that transform blank walls into the vibrant and showcase of creativity and personality. It encompasses of wide ranges of styles, techniques and themes from intricate designs. This art form not only beautiful space but also serves as medium for storytelling, reflecting personal values and experiences. And thoughtfully, history wall art has played significant role in various cultures, often to the use convey message of peoples, celebrate their heritage, or enhance the community spaces in contemporary setting wall art. This wall art is a continue to the allow incorporating modern trends and materials making accessible to everyone. And whatever is a bold statement piece of suitable ancient walnut painting, enrich environment influence, moods and fosters connection making its essential element of interior design on personal expression. Walnut is painting to refer for the practice of creating visual work direct on the walls or large canvas, enhancing both residential and commercial spaces. This farm art is can vary widely style, techniques and subject to matter, making it versatile choice for interior design. Nature and landscaping wall art paintings. The showcase flora and fauna of scenes landscapes, bringing the tranquility of outdoor insight. And inspirational and quotations down. This combined text to the artistic design. This piece can motivate and uplift often to the use workspace or personal areas. You can use colors and shapes can form a shape to create non-responsive of works. This style can evoke emotions and moods to provoke thoughts, making it ideal for modern space. Large-scale paintings and wall arts that can over the entire walls, often depicting scenes, landscapes or abstract designs or murals can dramatically change the ambience of your room. And friends, it's create of this your space is looking more beautiful and you can make your room for wall art, make living room or bedroom it's looking very beautiful. Wall art painting design ideas are important for several reasons. First one is the authentic appeal. Well designed wall art enhance the visual appeal of your space, making it more inviting and attractive. Second one is the personal expression. Art reflects the personal taste and experience, allowing to the individuals to showcase their personality and creativity. Third one is the mood and certain colors and themes can evoke the emotions and infusing the overall mood of your room. Bright and vibrant art can be energy the wild softer tones and can create calming atmosphere. And thoughtfully art choice can be tied together different elements of interior design, creating harmonious look. Art can respond and represent cultural heritage and tradition, fostering sense of identity and connection. Unique of striking wall art can serve as focal point of a conversation and started to the making space more enjoying for guests. Inspiration and motivation and inspiration quotations and uplifting energy can boost morals and provide motivation in personal or professional space. And large wall art can draw attention to the specific areas, helping to define space and highlight architectural features. Incorporating thoughtful wall art can significant and enhance